Hi guys, my name is Shiv Mangla and I once again welcome everyone to the world of testing. In today's slides, we are going to discuss with one of the main topic in manual testing, that is an integration testing. Okay, till now we were learning how exactly we test an individual modules. Once we are done with testing an individual module, the next step what comes into picture is our integration. What we do in integration testing, how we do integration testing, and like what are the steps to be taken while doing integration testing. All this we are going to learn in today's section. Okay, so as of now, the things to be covered in this slides will be what exactly is an integration testing, what is the need of integration testing, how we do integration testing, and what are the approaches to do an integration testing. Okay, so let me start with the basic definition of integration testing. So when I say integration testing, in this what we are doing is we are actually adding individual modules and combining and testing it as a single group. Okay, so when I say we are combining the modules, how we combine the modules? We can combine the modules once the module is ready, right? So once if one module is ready, once it has been tested, then only I can integrate it with other modules, right? So here, before doing integration testing, we should do unit testing. That is, once the unit testing is done on an application, then only we can move forward to an integration testing. And after integration testing comes is my system testing. Okay, so when I say integration testing, it is a combined form of unit testing, and that is combined together in the form of integration, where these integrations are taken forward as a system testing. Okay, so what we do here is actually we combine an individual modules and then test the individual modules, then we combine together the individual modules and then test the data flow between the modules. Okay, to make us understand in more clear format for you, let me take an example for you. Okay, so see here what I have done is I have taken four individual modules A, B, C, D. Okay, then what I did, I have completely tested module A, I have completely tested module B, and I have completely tested C and D as an individual modules. Okay, somebody has tested A, somebody has tested B, C and D. When all these four modules are ready, I have combined it in the form of A, B, C, D. So now what I have to do? I have to see whether my A is working fine or not when I combine it with B. I have to see whether my A is working fine or not when I combined it with C. I have to see whether my A is working fine or not when I combined it with D. That is, here the probability and combinations are coming into picture. The more the number of modules are added, the more are the combinations we have to test it. Okay, so as an integration testing, you have to test an individual modules first, then combine the modules, and while combining the modules, you are testing whether my old module is working fine or not, whether my new module is working fine or not, whether the integration between my new and old module is working fine or not, right? So this is how we combine it. Okay, so for example, to get in more detail with this, what I'll do is I'll just open a notepad for you. Okay, okay, what I'll do is, for example, I'm showing you as we are doing integration. Okay, A has got 10,000 in his account. Okay, and B has got somewhere around okay 5,000 in his account. Okay, so now A has requested B that see I got 10,000 in my account, I'll transfer it to 5,000 to B account.